Good evening to all of you. I'm going to release the performance analysis of our trend report, which we have given it on the 1st December 2017. For this week, it was valid from 4th to 8th December, and today we are in 6th December, and RBI review also has happened. So, how this trend report generated by us performed till date, that I am going to explain. Besides that, I'll be also explaining the best option strategy which you can initiate now. Best option strategy you can initiate now for the coming 5 or 10 days period. That also I'll be explaining in this video. So you need to view the video till the end of this video to know both the things. So we have released this video on 1st December. Also, we have given this report for download in our download section. Many people have witnessed this video, and you can say near to 1200 people have witnessed this video till date. And many have also taken the trade, and many have interacted with us through email. So Nifty, initially on the Monday, if you can see, it has given a trend breakout above 10,177, and it has triggered the stop loss. So the triggering of stop loss also happened. So if you just look into here, 10,308 it has gone, 289 level it has opened. This is the opening spike only, and the Monday itself it has opened off in the 10,168, and high was 10,198. So just 0.38 to retracement level it has gone. From there it has retraced back, and you have achieved the sell entry level 10,090 as per the principle. If you have bought into the trade, then your first trade landed in loss, and your hedging component recovered whatever the 70 to 80 point of losses is there. Out of that 80 point, near to 50 point you have recovered from the hedging component, which I used to always tell. 10,200 put option I have recommended, along with this 10,177. If you can recall, it has gone to 97 or 95 rupees level it was available, and 140 to 150 level you have got it. So 50 to 60 points you have recovered out of the 87 points of losses. Sell entry successfully being taken, and today's level, if you can see, 10,052 level it has come. So 10,052 level it has come. So this is the 52.65 you have achieved. 3 to 4 point below our first target it has achieved, and closing also 74 if you have trailing has not triggered. So you can still hold the trade for higher target. Here the point is 4th December opening high and close, 159 close, 198 high, 168 open. So 168 open, 198 high, 159 the close. So you can say the high was very close approximate to this thing, opening also very close approximate to this thing, our calculated level, and one level only, that closing basis 160 level, neither it is our sell entry nor our buy entry. Second day, if you can just look into these levels, 126 open, 91 low, 146 close. So 126 it is open, 91 level it is low. So day's low also validated your entry points, very close near to your entry point, and 141 level you have closed. Today is the RBI review day, and today the opening was 111 and low also very close near to a few points below your first target. So all these days high basis, opening basis, whatever the prices you have got, it is very close near to our calculation point. So this is the beauty of this particular one standard deviation method. So first target achieved, and though first trade was failure with 30 to 40 point losses, however the first target achieved with 10,052 level, if you can just take that also, some 10 to 15 point you have recovered. Still trailing stop loss of first target, which is 10,090, has not triggered. You can still hold the trade for some higher targets. So this is for the Nifty. Look into the Bank Nifty. This also has given a fantastic result today. And many used to say that whether on the RBI review days and other things, whether this level works. So if you just go for this past Monday, Tuesday and today's trade analysis, Bank Nifty has never given you chance to purchase. Rather, Bank Nifty given the chances to sell. And for the Bank Nifty, in all videos I used to tell, you must initiate the trade at 0.382 level. As per Fibonacci principle, 0.236 sets the trend, 0.382 confirms the trend. So this 25,412 in Bank Nifty future has never come. However, 25,100 level you have got it. And if I am just taking that 25,100 level has come, so you can expect on the 4th December itself we got a chance to sell Bank Nifty. Stop loss has not triggered, and today's level low 24,886. If I can take it as a reference, 24,886, couple of points below the third target. Third target was 24,893. You have come till 24,886. This again validates the fact that this one standard deviation principle is one of the best principle for trend forecast. I am not undermining any other principle of trend forecast. However, whatever we have calculated and whatever it has happened in the market, if you just correlate those happenings with our calculation, which has happened way before and on the 1st December, many days before this event happened, we have calculated these facts, and this calculation comes true today to a great extent. So the day's low of 24,885, very close near to 24,893. This again validates the facts that this is a valid method of trend forecast. So this is what happened for this weekly trend. Now I will be just moving to the next part. What is the best option strategy you should initiate now? Many stocks has corrected by this time, and many index also has corrected. I'll be preferring this 2/1 ratio call and put spread together on the second cycle of the 1ST trend. So these strategies, once we are taking 5 to 10 days time, we must give maximum 10 days you can give. So we'll be taking the one standard deviation principles readings for that. So one standard deviation principles readings for that. And in these particular things, if I am just going for the Nifty, and in the second cycle I will be focusing on, so I'll just load the Nifty data and I will analyze the positional options, and 7 days, already 2 days happened. Previous week's weekly trend I will not be taking. Currently where the Nifty has a trade and where I should initiate. So I will be focusing my observations on the second cycle. So second cycle buy entry is 10,218. Second cycle sell entry is 9,930. So this is what I have just focused. So if I have just chosen, this is the two parameters, 10,200 and 9,900. This is the nearest strike options I can get. So I will be buying the December. So here my strategy 2/1 ratio call spread in this order. I'll be buying 10,200 call option, 2 lots of December, and same time I'll be buying 9,900 call of put option of December, put option 2 lots December, and ratio call spread and put spread I have to form. So for that, let me take for the January. So I'll be selling January 10,200 call option 1 lot, and I'll be selling the January 9,900 put option 1 lot. So by this process, I will be initiating the trade. If I can just look into the option chain and price part, then it will be more clear. So 10,000, so 10,200 and 9,900. This strikes I required. 9,900 put option for December 79 rupees. Reference I am taking post market hour. So this is 79 rupees now quoting. So 2 lots I required. So if I just buy 2 lots, I am paying to the market 79 into 2. So this comes to 158 rupees. Same way 10,200 call option, if I look into 83 rupees it is trading, and 83 rupees if I am just taking into consideration 83 2 lots, and this also comes to 83 into 2, so this also will come to 166 rupees. Now we will move to the January, 25th January, same strike we required 10,200 call option 148 rupees, and here 124 rupees, 148 and 124. So here 148 and 124, 124. So this is the prices we are getting. So our net premium obligations will be 166 minus 148, 18 rupees, and here too also our net obligations will be 34 rupees. So this is the amount of premium what we are paying to the system. So this is on 75 lot size on 3,900 premium requirement or cash requirement, and margin will be around 80 to 85,000 of margin I require. So margin also I required 85,000 roughly margin. So this particular strategy if I initiate, then for the coming 10 days period, if the Nifty manages to go, coming 10 days period, if the Nifty manages to move above this second cycle, say 10,300 or 350 level, I'll be at a great profit. Same time, if the Nifty manages to fall below 9,700 level, then also I'll be at a profit. So if you are a regular visitor of Smart Finance website, you will be getting all these videos in our YouTube channel. If you are viewing this video on the YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe here. Once you subscribe, we will have your info. And whenever any video is uploaded, you will be getting the information automatically. Do share this video with your friends. Once you are viewing this video, there is a share button. There is a share button here, you can get it. And in this share button, do share this video. By this process, you will also contribute towards the development of traders' education. To tell them there is a definite method to make money in the market, however, we must use it. And you too also, if you like this video, you can give a like, so that this also will encourage us to create such kind of useful stops for you. And if you are following us in the Facebook or Twitter, then it will be the best option. Whenever we upload any video, we will inform you here and you will get that information. Do register in the site. So if you are registered in our site, whenever any event is being done in this way, we will be transmitting by email. You can get all these information. Many useful free trading courses are available here, video courses. You can go through any of these courses so that you can understand some new method of trading, unique method of trading, which will help you a lot. There is unique method are available to use in this market, so you can get these things. And it is a high time for the traders to understand It is not easy to make money in the market if you are not educated. If you are not educated in the financial literacy, or if you are not educated with the useful concept of the market, it is very, very difficult to make money in the market. Time and again, we are being transmitting the same thing. We have innovated many unique concepts of trend forecast, like one standard deviation. There is a 34 intraday trading technique. If you are experiencing the successful option strategy, we too also have an option course. So here, the point which I wish to make it is better to educate now rather month on month basis to lose money in the market through the trading. It is better, again I repeat, it is better to educate yourself now instead of spoiling your portfolio month on month basis through the losses. At least you use some valid concept and make some money. That should be your objective. And you can possess all our courses with the software, which will cost you 17,500. Plus it has a small GST, 990 rupees GST only on the software part. You can offer this one standard deviation concept what you have experienced now. We have a software one standard deviation which you can possess. It will cost you 5,000 plus 900 tax, 5,900. If you think the reports given by us on the 1st December is having some value or it is true to its essence, if you are convinced with this idea, then please do take one standard deviation software and use it for your trend forecast and use it in your trading. It will completely change your trade experience what you have till now. It is available in two modes. One, you can run it in the Android mobile, another is in your PC. So two editions will be given to you at 5,000 cost. No extra money will be charged, and you can use it in your Android mobile or in the computer. So it is now, after seeing this demonstration of last week's trend forecast, if you think that yes, this method works in the market, do possess this software. And if you want to experience furthermore, also do not hesitate. If you are thinking that okay, this week I have experienced smart finance, so let me again experience this report for further few more weeks, then I will decide to buy. So far 101 week of success it has given out of 110 weeks. If I add this week, it will be 101 week out of 110 weeks. If you want to experience for few more weeks and then decide, that is also acceptable by us, and this is also is an acceptable argument. So if intraday makes you a failure, switch to weekly trade. So this is also a great option, but please do follow some valid concepts and be profitable in the market. Market is not a place where you should just gamble and lose your money. It is a great place to make money, provided you must have that will to accept some proven facts. If you have the will to accept some proven facts, then only you can able to make money. Money cannot be made just by dreaming, just by looking at someone's advice, just by buying some tips. You cannot able to make money. You have to plan the trade, you have to follow a valid trend forecast method, and the trend forecast method which will be valid, it must prove in front of you. You should take a calculation, and that calculation must be accepted by the market on high basis, low basis, closing basis. Then only you should trust that method. So with this I will be ending this presentation, and again next week's level will be transmitted to you on Friday. And in between also we will be again transmitting some of the strategies and other things. Keep in touch with this YouTube, keep in touch with us in the Facebook or Twitter. So as and when we release such kind of informations, it should reach you. Thank you. Thank you very much.